Hello and welcome. It's such a lovely day to be curious together. I was just thinking about something funny I saw on my walk this morning.
What did you see, Mississippi Ray?
I passed by a field full of sheep, and even though they were all sheep, none of them looked exactly the same. Some had fluffy, long wool, and some had short, curly wool. Some had black faces, and others had white faces. Why do you think animals like sheep can look so different from each other?
Maybe because they eat different things. Or maybe they play in the mud and get dirty.
That's a clever guess. Sometimes animals do get dirty, but there's another reason they look different. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm so excited to explore this with you, Kaira. The real reason is something called characteristics. Do you know what a characteristic is?
Is it like something you can see about someone? Like their hair or their eyes?
Exactly. Characteristics are the things about us that make us who we are, like the color of our hair, the length of our wool if we're sheep, or even the pattern on a tiger's stripes. Now, here's a big word: inherit. Animals inherit characteristics from their parents. That means they get some of their looks from their mom and some from their dad. Can you think of something you might have inherited from your parents?
Maybe my brown eyes? My mom has brown eyes too.
That's a perfect example. You inherited your brown eyes from your mom. But even though you and your mom both have brown eyes, you don't look exactly the same, right? That's because you inherit some characteristics from your mom and some from your dad, so you're not identical to either of them. Do you know what identical means?
It means exactly the same, like twins in cartoons.
Yes, identical means looking exactly the same. Sometimes there are identical twins who inherit the same characteristics from their parents, so they look almost like copies of each other. But most of us, and most animals, are not identical to anyone else. Even tigers have different stripes, and every person has a different fingerprint. Have you ever looked closely at your fingerprints?
I think so. They look like swirly lines on my fingers.
That's right. Those swirly lines are called fingerprint patterns. There are special names for the patterns: loop, whorl, and arch. Even though you get your fingerprints from your parents, your pattern is unique. No one else has the exact same one. Isn't that amazing?
Wow! So even if I have the same hair as my dad, my fingerprints are just mine?
Exactly. You might share some characteristics, like hair color or being able to roll your tongue, but your fingerprints are your own. Speaking of tongue rolling, can you roll your tongue into a tube shape?
Yes. I can do it. My friend can't, though.
That's another characteristic you inherit. Some people can roll their tongues and some can't. It's just one of the many ways we're all a little different. If you were to make groups with your friends based on things like hair type, tongue rolling, or being left-handed or right-handed, do you think anyone would have exactly the same set of characteristics as you?
Maybe not. I think everyone is a bit different.
You're absolutely right. Even if you find someone who shares a few characteristics, it's very rare to find someone who matches you in every single way. That's what makes each of us special. So, can you tell me in your own words why animals or people look similar to their parents but not exactly the same?
Because we inherit some things from our parents, but not everything, so we look a bit like them but not exactly the same.
That's a wonderful explanation. You really understood how inheriting characteristics works. Next time you see a group of animals or your friends, you can spot all the little differences and similarities. Isn't it fun to know what makes us unique? Thanks for exploring with me today. Now I can't help but wonder what other cool things we inherit from our families.